what we're looking at here today is a Hampton Bay Carousel. So I got this fan off of Facebook Marketplace, new in the box, and it is from December of 2001. So it's probably one of the last ones made before they started making the Carousel 2, which I might get some comments about this, but I actually do kind of like those as well. So I've been wanting to find a carousel for quite a long time now. I usually don't care for multicolored fans, but this one's an exception. And that's mainly because of the spotlight kit, and I actually kind of have a soft spot for those. Now, obviously, this is the later version of the Carousel. There were many variations of the first Carousel, as I'm sure some of you already know. Some of them had yellow canopies. The earlier versions, I think, were the ones that had yellow canopies, while the later ones had black ones, much like this one, obviously. Now, one thing that I actually kind of like about this fan, personally, is, other than the spotlight kit, is the black Hampton Bay poles, which, I don't know, I just kind of like how they look in black. Though some of the carousels from this time, some of them had antique brass poles, which, I mean, honestly, I like the black ones better. Alright, now here's the light. And I'm using 4 halogen bulbs, or flow light bulbs, whatever you want to call them, which I bought specifically for this fan. Alright, now here's low. Alright, now here's medium. And it is wobbling quite a bit, but it's no big deal, honestly. Alright, and now for high. Alright, and there you have it. That is my Hampton Bay Carousel, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.